Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today, and yes, I do have another case for my Galaxy S9 Plus. It's from Poetic, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, in this video, I'm going to review this case from Poetic. It's their Affinity series, so shout out to them for actually sending this case to me for review. You can pick up these case from Amazon. Bam, there you go. You can pause the video if you want to read all about it, but it is their Affinity series. It actually has the corner protection. Comes in two different colors, black and clear, and clear. I have the black and clear one. It is $12.95. Prime eligible, which means you can get it within 2 days. Okay, so that's enough of me talking about that. Look at the presentation. Bam, there you go. Also here, if you want to pause that and read that, you can actually pause that too and read it. But I love the presentation from Poetic. Let's see if I can actually get into this case. Alright, bam, look at that. Let's see what you get in the package. You have the case. Then you also have, thank you for your purchase. You can go to poeticcases.com. Check out their website. Oh, I like how they do this. Makes it a little bit simple. Throw that on the side. Look at the case. So let's go over it really quick. You have your power button on the side. On the bottom, you have some Poetic branding. On the left-hand side, you have your volume rockers and the Bixby button at the top. There's your microphone. The bottom, look at those cutouts. They look pretty great. I like that design with the black lines in it. But let's check it out. Let's see how it fits in the case. I mean, the phone fits in the case. Man, nice and snug. Look at that. All right, so the two things that people care about is the protection. The corners definitely give you that protection, but you always want to check out the camera lip. Look at that. Gives you, so again, you won't have to worry about it. And also the lip in the front, it gives you protection too. Bam. Look at that. I mean, you can see there the screen coming from there, so that's actually pretty cool too. Check out the power button. They work. Fingerprint scanner, easy to get to. The volume rockers work. The annoying Bixby button works too. Check out the cutouts at the bottom. Look how that blue and the black matches up. The cutouts look great at the bottom. They all line up. And the microphone lines up at the top. But look, it shows the beauty of the phone. Man, this is a great looking case. But again, if you want to pick up this case, the Affinity series from Poetic, you can definitely pick it up on Amazon. I will have the link in the description so you can check it out there. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage coming on the Galaxy S9 Plus. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.